Hi everyone! If you're watching this video, that means you're working on the Unit 4 Capstone QPA. Great job on getting this far. Just a reminder, if you are confused on what a learning bundle is, please make sure to check the post I made on May 4th. I explain everything about learning bundles and what the revision process is going to look like for the rest of the school year. Just another reminder, please, the only reason why you should be doing this assignment is if you have not completed it or completed it with mastery, meaning a passing grade when we were in school, because this is a unit that we've already done. I'm going to go over how you can look up basically where to find the assignment, what's a learning bundle map, and the expectations around this QPA in just a moment. So if you want to follow along, please have your computer with you and be looking at Google Classroom. So I'm going to share my screen right now. So usually if you go into Math 1 and for my class, or if you're in Ms. Totino's class, for Ms. Totino's, you'll see the stream. You want to go into classwork. Basically, you see your Unit 5 things. This is everything we've been learning while we were out of school. But Unit 4 is right down here. Another way you can come down is if you look at to the left, you see that there are the Unit 4 learning bundle. If you click on that, you see Mini QPA 1, Mini QPA 2, and right now we're looking at the Capstone QPA. So I'm going to be taking a look at this. You should first watch the overview video, which I'm making right now, and you should be watching. And then you want to look at the bundle map to kind of see a step-by-step guide on how to complete this Capstone QPA. Now, this bundle map looks like this. So you see that this is your Capstone QPA. And if you notice any words in blue, it means there's a link. So if you click on that link, it's going to take you to like notes or a video where it kind of explains a little bit more about what I'm talking about. So in this Capstone QPA, you're going to be answering questions about graphs that show either a system of linear equations or a system of linear inequalities. And I know that this is something you've been learning. It should be a little bit of a review, but if not, it's going to be fine. You're just putting everything together you've learned so far. So just do your best and good luck. For this QPA, there are 6 steps, and I'm going to show you the actual document to kind of tell you what it looks like, but there's only 2 parts. Let's say you're doing the assignment and you get stuck, like you don't remember how to do something. I have included resources, all the ones in blue, that you can click on to kind of find things that might help you answer your questions. Of course, if none of these really fully help you understand, always message me and I can come and help you when there's time. Make sure that you're creating goals with your point person right here in this column. That way you can make sure you get it done in a timely manner so you can quickly get done with math. You can move on to your other subjects if you need to. The actual capstone looks like this, okay? So this is Unit 4, Capstone QPA. I did modify it from the document that we used in school just so that it's more online friendly. There are part 1 and part 2 right here. And there are 6 questions in total. If you look at part 1, it says that there are notes on page 7. So if you click there and click on bookmark, it takes you to a notes section here. This should be helpful for you while you're doing this if you do get stuck. And if you have any other questions, please contact me. In the first part, you're comparing 2 graphs. You're looking at Sally's map and Sam's map and telling me which one is correct or incorrect in this case. And then you're answering questions based on that. And then for part 2, you're basically looking at a system of linear equations and answering these 3 questions here. So that's it for your Capstone QPA. Once you get this done, let me show you the rubric. The rubric is at the last page. This is basically what you'll be aiming towards. You want to get a 2. If you get 2 for all 4 rows, that means you're going to get an A. So you want to complete the assignment and make sure that you're writing in complete sentences and in as many details as possible, because that's going to prove to me that you understand the material. But hopefully that answers any questions about your Capstone QPA. It's the final thing you got to do for this unit. I hope that it goes well. If you have any questions, once again, please message me. I'm always here to help. But other than that, good luck.